Hello, welcome at 10 Commandments for Stock Investment YouTube channel. Can 3M, MMM, keep the earnings surprise streak live? By Zacks Equity Research, Tuesday, July 20, 2021. Have you been searching for a stock that might be well positioned to maintain its earnings beat streak in its upcoming report? It is worth considering 3M, MMM, which belongs to the Zacks Diversified Operations industry. When looking at the last two reports, this maker of post-it notes, industrial coatings and ceramics has recorded a strong streak of surpassing earnings estimates. The company has topped estimates by 15.89%, on average, in the last two quarters. For the last reported quarter, 3M came out with earnings of $2.77 per share versus the Zacks Consensus Estimate of $2.25 per share, representing a surprise of 23.11%. For the previous quarter, the company was expected to post earnings of $2.19 per share and it actually produced earnings of $2.38 per share, delivering a surprise of 8.68%. Price and EPS surprise. There has been a favorable change in earnings estimates for 3M lately. In fact, the Zacks earnings ESP, expected surprise prediction, for the stock is positive, which is a great indicator of an earnings beat, particularly when combined with its solid Zacks rank. Our research shows that stocks with the combination of a positive earnings ESP and a Zacks rank number 3, hold, or better produce a positive surprise nearly 70% of the time. In other words, if you have 10 stocks with this combination, the number of stocks that beat the consensus estimate could be as high as 7. The Zacks earnings ESP compares the most accurate estimate to the Zacks consensus estimate for the quarter. The most accurate estimate is a version of the Zacks consensus whose definition is related to change. The idea here is that analysts revising their estimates right before an earnings release have the latest information, which could potentially be more accurate than what they and others contributing to the consensus had predicted earlier. 3M currently has an earnings ESP of plus 1.11%, which suggests that analysts have recently become bullish on the company's earnings prospects. This positive earnings ESP, when combined with the stock's Zacks rank number 2, buy, indicates that another beat is possibly around the corner. We expect the company's next earnings report to be released on July 27, 2021. With the earnings ESP metric, it's important to note that a negative value reduces its predictive power. However, a negative earnings ESP does not indicate an earnings miss. Many companies end up beating the consensus EPS estimate, though this is not the only reason why their shares gain. God is good, all the time. All the time, God is good.